Okay, welcome to all. Today I'm going to give a demo about how to work on a big file. Suppose you are going to join a new company. They have a lot of files. They will give one file to work. Edit this, change the color. So when you see like this is a file I downloaded from the internet, you just type free PST files. Some site will give the free PST files for you. So you can download this type of file from the internet, and some of the online PSD selling site will give one or two free PST files. So here you can see a lot of layers are here. How do you find out which layer I need to work? One way I want to work on this, you can go over. There is a automatically you can see one blue indications come. You can just click it. You can understand this layer. This is also you can understand this layer. This is also you can understand this is the, but this is not sure. So you need to click again this. This is a round. This is a way you can only to work on that. But sometime here I am come, which is my layer means you can easily see pre right click, you can select the layers. This is a background of this. You can see once you move it, just control Z. It will come back. If it does this one you don't know, you just move it. Okay. And control Z. You can understand that is on the top of that. When you want to select this blue red button, just click and drag it. Then control Z. So you can understand this is the one. This is a one way you can select the layers. Second way, what you can do, you know layer naming, this is not a proper name. See popular brands logo, if you want to correctly where it is exactly, press alt or option click, so then it is exactly click again. I'm not able to find that exact place of, okay. Then it is zoomed to that area, this is a text. The same way I want to sender banner, you just alt and click or option, this is a sender banner, where it is, this is a sender banner. Now if you want to do any editing here, you can do the edit. So what is a tool you need to say? Alt in Windows, option in Mac, then you can just go and click. One mistake you should not do, when you 80% is here, you double click it. Sorry, control minus minus, I am zooming out. If you go here, this is for masking, you should not do that. Okay, so alt only inside here. If you double click again, it will show the layer style panel. So I am very clear about this. Anything you don't know, you just go over, you can see the bounding box. Second one, you go to that layer, don't go for the layer folder, correct layer, alt and click. Exactly it will come. Now you reach here, you can just make sure that, okay, I find out this one exactly same. Then you can control minus minus, you can zoom out. Control plus plus, you can zoom. This is a way you can work on exact location, then you can work. So now you understood what the. Then there is a filter option is available here. Kind. This is image. What are the images are used here? You can clearly understand on this. Where is this one? Just alt and click. So this is the image that are used. So any image you are searching, you want to find out, just kind image, just click the first word. Second one, any adjustment layer are created, just click on this. So there is no adjustment layer on this file. Okay, leave it. Next text, you can see all the text layer. You want to find free shopping. Okay, click on that, alt click, you will got free shipping. You got it. Again, if you want to know the shape layers, click on that, you will find all the shape layer. This is another way. And the last one is You can filter for smart objects. Any smart objects are there is no smart objects in this file. Okay, now you got a clear idea about how to search based on the layer style buttons. Okay, now you can go through here name. So we think that free shipping again we know that that name is there. See, free shipping you got, then free refund also you got, that text you got. From the layer name you can search it. Then effect. I told you last time also there is, you can check the stroke effect is there. Inner glow, there is no inner glow. Outer glow, these are the outer glow objects. Where you want to go there, you just alt and click. So here you can see layer style mein. If you go, see you can see gradient. Okay. So which one you selected? Overlay. Overlay will be there on that. Another effect if you want mode. What type of mode? These are the multiply or dark. These modes you are, there's a dark multiply is applied on several places. You can go and click where it is that. Okay, which layer? Oh, here we applied multiply. So you can select. Attribute means linked or unlinked, visible. See, invisible also we can check on the layer. So lock layer is there, not visible. Okay, nothing is there. Not locked. All are not locked. We can search for layer mask. There is no layer mask in this. Linked. There is no linked layers. Locked layers. No locked layers. So this is a way you can check the attributes. These are the layer attributes: empty, linked, clipped, all these things. Another one is the color. So layer color you can do orange. These are the orange color layers. If you arrange properly, you can do you think that all images are you are creating as orange. How to create orange? You can select color. You can select the color on that yellow. So sorry. So you can select it accordingly. Now color is completed. Then smart object. These are the smart objects applied in the font. This is linked locally, all the properties. This will explain clearly once I take the smart objects. Now artboard. So what artboard it is? This is only one artboard. There is no problem on that. Any groups are there in this? So there is no group in this file. So you can search the layers based on name, effect, mode, attribute, color, smart object, selected, artboard, and group. So I think that it is clear for you. What are things I planned? I am just checking everything I completed on this video. So alt you can select it. Just move over. You can do the bounding box, and you can double click. You can select alt and click. You can the layer will be zoomed. Double click it will zoom out. Then control minus minus is zoom out. And I explained other thing. You just download one file. Otherwise, upload this file on the tutorial. You can just check it, and you can explore how can work a file if you are not design, somebody else is given. Very difficult to find out all the layers from this, but whenever you are designing, you clearly give the layer name and everything, then properly you upload the uh, you do proper layer naming and groups and smart objects, then you can clearly work on your files. Others also very easy to work on that. So thank you for watching this. Please explore, please work on these files thoroughly, then only you will understand all the details what I explained on this video.